Welcome back class. This one is the holiday homework book that has been given by your school for the occasions of Durga Puja. So this one is for class 3. So in the section of art you have to do several works that has been given inside your worksheet. Here the numbers of things has been given. First one is the penguin, second one is the crocodile, third one is the crabs, fourth is the snowman, fifth one is the camel, and the sixth one is the greeting card. So first, in page number 82, there is the penguin which you have to color with the help of crayons, or you either use the sketch pens or the pencil color. So the upper part of the penguin should be colored with what? Obviously that is the black color. You might use the shading pencil for this. You have just to move the pencil on the After that, the beaks of the penguin should be colored with orange or the yellow. This one is the orange. You should use this orange to color the beak part. Okay. After that, you use the blue one for the eyes, and again this orange for curling the feet of the penguin. Okay, after that, in the next page we have to color the crocodile. So the usual color of crocodile is green, or you may use the different shades of green. So this one is the darker one, this one is the bark color, this one is the lighter green, and this one is the sky green. So out of these four shades you use any colors which you want. Okay, suppose I am using this one. The corner part should be colored in a darker manner. And after that we have to color the interior part in the lighter shade. To give them the attractive look, you have, or you might use the other colors such as this one. Okay. This one is the orange which I am using to give the crocodile a muddy look. In a similar manner, you have to color the whole body of crocodile. The inner part of the crocodile should be colored with red, and the eye should be colored with the lighter blue. After that, the next page is grapes, which you have to color with the different shades of green. So the corner should be colored with lighter green. Among these, one I am just going to color for you. The corner should be colored with what? The darker green. After coloring with darker green, you should use the lighter green to color the remaining part. Okay. In similar manner, you have to color the rest of the grapes, and the brown should be colored with brown. This one is the brown, you have to color it, and the leaf should be colored with the green. The next one is the snowman. You have usually seen the snowman in the Christmas parties or in the cartoons. So the snowman should usually be colored with white, but this one is the white page, so you have to color it with the blue one. So in the same manner you have to color the whole snowman. The cap of the snowman should be colored with the red, because this represents the Christmas. What it represents? Christmas. Okay, These balls should be also colored with red. The legs, the buttons, the arms, each and every one should be colored with the lighter blue, and the stick should be colored with the brown. Where is the brown? After that, there comes the camel, which you have to practice. Suppose there are different segments of drawing a camel has been given. Firstly, what do you have to do? Firstly, you have to draw the circle. After that, you have to draw the neck part. After that, you have to draw the head part. This one is the arm. This one is the leg. This one is the tail. After this, you just have to erase the extra lines. After erasing this extra line, you have to color it with the help of brown. The lower part of the camel should be colored with dark brown. After coloring the corner part, you have to color the remaining part with the light brown shading. So in a similar manner, you have to complete the camel. After that, in the page number 86, here you have seen a set of flowers that has been drawn with the help of vegetables. So what you have to do, first you have to cut the vegetables, okay? After cutting, you have to dip it in the watercolor. After dipping it in the watercolor, you have to make the impression on the second sheet. This must be done with the help of your parents because it includes the use of knife or a sharp object. So do it in the presence of your parents. So keep learning, be active, be safe, and enjoy your holidays.